Hey everybody, it's Carol. I've got a power-packed video for you today. I have a few cute things to show you. First of all, I found a great makeup remover. I think it's about $6, and it does not burn your eyes. Now, a lot of makeup removers, the Balms, you put it on and you're rubbing to get the mascara off and the eyeshadow, and you got it in the waterline and you got it in the tight line, and then your eyes start burning. Well, I've been experimenting with a lot of them, and I found one that is so cute. It's just so cute. It's by Mercilin. I got it on Temu. I will put the link down below for you. Okay, so let's see. All right, this is how it opens. It opens like that, and then it comes out, and you just leave this on your bathroom counter. It's so cute. It's a metal box, and it has a spatula that has a magnet on it, so you won't lose the spatula. You could keep it on the outside or the inside. It comes with this piece of paper on it, and you take it off, and it's a balm. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful balm. Oh my goodness. And you just massage it for a good minute, and then you put warm water, and it emulsifies into a white lather, and then I take my one of these, and I wipe it all off, and then I go in for a second cleanse, and I use my little PIGGY one. But you could use any that you want. But this is the best. The best. Oh my goodness. And I've gone through so many different kinds. I just absolutely love this. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. I love that it doesn't burn my eyes. I already bought it back up, and I have one in the bathroom that's halfway gone. So that's how good it is. Next is this amazing, am I excited? Yes, amazing eyeshadow palette. It's very similar to the Makeup by Mario, which I have been dying for, but I don't want to spend $50. So I bought this. It's called Matte About You, and it is by LASH Step. LASH Step. And it's got like a faux leather cover. Okay, so this is, wait till you see this. Wait till you see this. Now, I'm going to put Mario's up there, which he's wonderful. If you can afford him, fabulous. But if not, first of all, what I see here is the black is black, the white is white, the peaches are beautiful, the browns, the taupe. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And just to give you a little look at the colors. That is the middle row. And then, oh, it's so perfect. It's an amazing, amazing palette, and you could get it. I'll put the link down below. I know it's about $10. Lash Step. And it's just as good as my She Glam Wonka bar, and this I have a backup also. And you see how many colors I have just gone through? Amazing. Amazing, inexpensive palettes, no more than $10. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to show you the 4 neck exercises that you can do at home without doing surgery. So the first one is just opening your mouth and closing your mouth. They do it for 1 minute, I believe. Okay, so watch her.
So you activated this muscle, and it's a very neglected area of the body. What's going to happen over time as you do these exercises, it's going to start to tighten, the loose skin's going to go away, and you're going to have a nice firmness underneath your chin.
The next thing you do is smile downward.
This is going to activate more of the superficial fascia just underneath the skin. And it's going to focus more on the fascia right here versus lower in your neck.
This was several people are doing these same exercises for the neck. So apparently they say it works. The third one is this.
So we're completely extending the neck. Okay, we're stretching all the fascia out. We're also elongating the muscles. Then we're going to take it one step further and activate that last maneuver where we're pushing our jaw forward and getting that last very important stretch. You have to realize that all this fascia is attached not just to your chin, but it wraps over underneath the bottom part of your lip into your face. So that's something very interesting about fascia.
I can't do so far because of my vertigo. It might trigger my vertigo, but they say lean your head off the bed and then lift it up. Lift it up and down. Lift it up and down. Lift it up and down. So what I was doing was on my pillow when it was slanted, and then I get the same effect. So if you're afraid of vertigo, you're afraid of dizzy, lean back on your pillow and go like this. Oh, your head is so heavy, even that way. So
are the 4 exercises. I really hope that you found that helpful. 2 minutes every other day. Go and give them a go.
I've been doing my spiky roller in the morning and at night. Spiky, spiky, spiky. Get your face all red. The blood comes, the nourishment. And after that, I've been taking my other roller. This is a silicone roller. Then I've been taking the massager that I showed you once. And after that, I've been doing the LED. So I do the LED mask, the MAYSAMA LED mask. And when I'm done on the face, I do it for 2 sessions. They're 9 minutes. I do it on my hands because now they're selling LED masks for your hands, but you can use the one for your face. So I put it on my hand, put it on the other for 9 minutes each, 9 minutes each. Then I put it on my neck and my décolleté. Work on my computer while it's on. I watch shows, I watch YouTube, I do research, I check emails, I check texts, and before you know it, time goes by. I wouldn't walk around with it because I could fall, but I do it sitting down, and it's the easiest thing that you can do, and it's wonderful for you. Next video, but my upcoming videos will be bay leaves and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you about some technology. You're going to blow your family away. You are going to blow them away when I get through with you, okay? So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. You know that so much. I appreciate you. And have a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!